Welcome to this quick start video for Xerte. This video will show you how to access Xerte and create your first project. To get started, go to the web address shown here. Log in with your standard university username and password. You will now see the Xerte home screen. Look for Xerte Online Toolkit. This will give you the full range of options for your project. Click the Create button. A new window will open, and the first thing you will see is the project settings page. The project is sometimes called a learning object, so keep that in mind as you work with Xerte. Start by entering a title. You will probably also want to choose a theme that you like. The theme determines the colors, fonts, and icons throughout the project. You can leave the other settings as they are, or adjust them as required. Remember that you can change these settings at any time, so you may want to complete your project before deciding which settings are right for you. Xerte also offers a large number of optional properties, which you can see by expanding the right-hand pane. To add an optional property, click the plus button next to it. The property then appears with the project settings. Note that you can also delete an unwanted optional property. If you would like to embed the finished product into Duo, use the fixed display size property. We recommend changing the width to 700. You can adjust the height however you like. Now you are ready to create the learning object content. Click the plus button to see the page categories. Hover over each category to see the different page types. When you are starting out with Xerte, it's a good idea to browse through the page types to give you a sense of the kinds of pages that will work well with your project. An image and short description are provided for each page type, and of course you can always preview a page once you've added it to the learning object. Choose where to place the new page relative to the page you are currently viewing. Now you can design the new page. Enter a title, keeping in mind that this will appear in the header of the learning object. The options for every page will be different, and most pages will also offer optional properties to choose from. Again, it's a good idea to click play to preview your page. You can reorder pages in your project at any time by dragging and dropping them to a new location. When you are finished, we recommend that you play the whole project back, including all of the interactions, to make sure that everything works in the way you expect. Be sure to click the Publish button before closing the learning object. This doesn't make it public, it just saves the work that you've done to publish when you're ready. We hope that you have found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.